Buongiorno paisani! Happy long weekend to all the people in Quebec. C'est la Saint-Jean. So today I'm on my way to perform a wedding all the way in Chateau Vaudreuil. It's in the boondocks. And since yesterday the word I taught you was sciogliere, today I'm gonna teach you how to say to tie. It's attacari, or in Italian we say legare. So these wonderful people, this beautiful couple is gonna be tying the knot. Attaccano un gruppo, legano il nodo. They're getting married. So congratulations to them. Have yourselves a beautiful weekend. Enjoy the weather. Summer has finally come to see us. Enjoy e ci vediamo presto. Salutamu!